1 minute, fellas. I hope the losing streak is over. I'm on a 6-day winning streak, brother. Where have you been? Oh! What's up, fellas? Welcome back to another stream. We're back. Oil's ripping. NQ's doing nothing. Patience. Let's get straight into the stream. Let's get straight into the stream, chat. We had a nice AM session. We took a base hit. Took a base hit here. Little trade. Now we got some more work to do. We're not finished yet. We're not finished yet. 6 winning days in a row. Great. Let's bank. What am I looking at right here? Obviously, it looks bullish. Wants to go to these highs here. Trades down lower, 4 hours, starts pushing back up higher. Looks pretty bullish to me. You're on long right now? Nice. I'm going to wait a little bit. Gonna wait a little bit before we get into long. Need a little bit more confirmation. The lights in my house went out, but I'm watching Ben on my phone. Let's go. Priorities. Priorities. Chat, if you be looking at my Twitter, bro, you be seeing me just rage baiting people. It's so fun. Yeah, I only rage bait haters. Like, haters will go onto my thing and they'll be just like talking like they know everything. And you click their profile, they have like 100 followers. They have no posts. So it's like, okay, buddy, hot shot here. You guys got to remember, these people online, they're probably not like what you think they are. They're probably like some middle-aged divorced father who is like addicted to all sorts of things. By winning streak, you including break even? This isn't a break even trade. This is a win. Fill here, close here. I made $200 on this, 250 bucks on this trade. So it's a win. When somebody makes a profit, that's called a win. A break even is a break even. Break even. And a loss is a loss. A loss. There you go. Patience, guys. We are looking for some longs here. Oil does look like it wants to start selling off again. We'll trace back into that 15-minute fair value gap, into that hourly fair value gap. Oil looks like it wants to tank. Oil looks like it wants to tank to these lows. In the meantime, we want to see ES and NQ push up higher. Right now, temporarily, oil is ripping into an inefficiency, though. What's up, low-key trades? How do you convince Peter Tuchman to do a live stream? Because I'm just the best, bro. Like, you guys don't understand, okay? You don't understand there's levels to this. I have accumulated a lot of payouts, a lot, on live stream for free at 19 years old. Every day, streaming, every execution, not selling a course or mentorship. You guys got to understand, not everyone does that at my scale. Peter saw me, he saw the value in me, and then he's like, hey, I want to do it. Mine's playing Wall Street. Did I struggle with over trading? Of course, everyone does. Not anymore for me. I'm fine, but everybody eventually struggles. I'm going to be looking for a long very soon. I like how oil's reacting to that inefficiency, but there's no fair value gap. No fair value gap. We're in a 15-minute Sibby here. I got to be patient. Not everybody realizes that by the time Ben hits 30, he'll be one of the greatest to it. No cap. I appreciate it, bro. I'm anticipating that I'll be worth a couple billion. No, not a couple. I'll say I'll be worth about $1 billion by the time I turn Yeah, before I turn 30. Like, a lot of you guys don't understand like what I do outside of trading. Like, you guys don't understand the level that I'm on. And I'm not saying this with some crazy ego, but like I am basically going to be a billionaire before I'm 30. I'm VC'd as an angel investor in 150 different startups. Only 2 of them have to unicorn to $1 billion company. More than $1 billion company. 2 of them need to unicorn. 2 or 3 of them you need to unicorn to a $10 billion company. And then I'm a billionaire. Okay, let's say they don't. Let's say only a few, and I make about like, I on average I make about $1.8 million a year from what I do. Plus, let's say I make about $400 million from my investments by the time I'm 28. Put that in the TQQQ. On a good year, get a 50, 80% return. $1 billion. One of them will be a unicorn if they're from Israel. I don't want to break the news to you guys, but they're all from Israel. And I'm not even kidding. Every single cybersecurity company I invest in is Israeli based from Tel Aviv. I'm not kidding. That's why I told you I'm going to be a billionaire before I'm 30. And you still live in your mom's house? Of course. Gonna retire her soon. 19 years old, brother. Why would I want to move out? It's just adding extra obligations. No point. Yep. I'm not even kidding. All of my VC investments, all 90% of them are Tel Aviv-based cybersecurity startups. I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna be a billionaire, bro. I'm not even kidding. Like, you guys are watching a pre-billionaire. How do you get into investing? I used to work for a venture capitalist firm in cybersecurity that was based from Tel Aviv. So that's how I got all the connections. I'm not having politics. I'm just saying that all my investments are in Tel Aviv. Can't really remember, mister. And I didn't take 6 trades. It's a 6-day winning streak, like closing the day in profit. How old am I? I'm about to turn 20. I'm telling y'all, bro, if I don't make it in trading, I'm making it in investing. And my goal is to have $1 billion before I turn 30. That's my goal. And I think I can do it. How much total investments? I invest a couple $100,000 a month into startups, all pre-seed. So it's basically like throwing that money away. I wouldn't say a couple 100,000. I'd say like 80 to 100,000. I risk more money than I actually make. Like, I risk more money than I save. Because I'm 19, I don't need all this money. He has no proof of it because it's a lie. Hey, chat, ready to shut up a hater really quickly? You guys ready to shut up a hater? You guys ready? You ready to shut up a hater? You guys ready? Seed investor, Ray Security, Tel Aviv District, Israel. Pre-seed cybersecurity startup. But he has no proof. Yeah, literally, bro. Why do some people come into the stream just to doubt me? Just to make themselves try to feel better? Guys, longs are cooking. Longs are cooking. Why is my chrome pink? Because it's sick. Bruh, I just went over my limit on my credit card. Shit. Like what website? Yeah, you cannot invest in private equity companies based out of Israel from a website. They're not publicly traded. No. I'm not Jewish, bro. Just because, like, what? Look at this reaction. I'm looking for this high to get drawn to, but we're having no inefficiency here, no volume imbalances. I mean, there, but like no fair value gaps, so we don't engage yet. There is one here, but clearly it doesn't look like it wants to respect it. Now I'm 19, gonna be 20 in exactly 13 days. Wow, you added the LinkedIn. I can do that too. Guys, he needs more proof. Guys, he needs more proof. He needs more proof. Let's shut his ego down. I'm going to show him a photo of me with the founders. He needs more proof. Ready? 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 I don't think you're ready. Ben. All founders. Ben. All cybersecurity founders and CISOs. Ben. All founders and CISOs. Oh, it's not done yet. Ami Lutwak, the CEO and founder of Wiz Security, which sold for $32 billion to Google. Ben. Ben. Like I said, bro. Like I said. How to network with them? It's just because I used to work for a company that was in the space. I left like Kawhi. You looking for a trade? Yeah, I want to see longs here, but we're not getting any inefficiencies to the upside right now. That boy quiet now. He's going to figure out something to say just to make himself try to feel better. Why do you play proof game to stupid people? I just like making them look bad. I was working for a cybersecurity company at a young age. Funny story, actually. I was, when I was 13 years old, I was standing outside of the Ritz-Carlton, handing out business cards, trying to network and just find a mentor. And I found somebody, and he was pretty shocked that I was doing that at such a young age. And I was also like, yeah, I learned how to day trade and everything. He's like, wow, I want to mentor you when you're done high school. Turns out that guy was the founder of the VC firm. Any trades taken today? We took a small win on the AM session, but that's it. We want to see some longs, but there's no inefficiency yet, so we're not taking it. Oil looks like it's going to sell off, though. How many funded accounts do you have? I'm trading 5 of them right now. Trade Asian today? I don't know. I might. I might tootle into the Asian session tonight. Patience, guys. Patience, patience, patience. Look at oil ripping and Enki not doing anything, dude. If only we could be... Like, oil's so clean, dude. Oil just moves. Can I trade oil on this? Micro crude oil. How expensive are the contracts with crude oil? $100? Because I want to short this shit right now. This looks so beautiful for shorts. But I don't know if I can afford that. I don't know if I can afford that contract size. Like, take some crude oil shorts here. $0.54. Five contracts. Let's just see. Let's see. Let's pay. Can we? Let's try to take an entry here. Ah, never mind. It's ripping lower. Let's see, chat. Micro crude oil, guys. Let's see if we can get a Phil. Where's Dr. Phil when we need him? Where's Dr. Phil when we need him? Dr. Phil, where are you? I'm only risking the profits that I made, chat, so. Let's see. It looks so bearish to the downside. Hopefully it fills me. Hopefully Dr. Phil delivers. I do think it's going to sell off to this low as well. Why is it 1? Oh, wait. No. There we go. Thought I was copy trading accounts for a second. I mean, I forgot I was copy trading accounts. Come on, Dr. Phil. Fill us. Dr. Phil. Where are you? Fill us on crude. Dr. Phil, don't you do it, Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil, don't you do it. Dr. Phil, don't you do it. There you go. Come on, Dr. Phil. I know you want to just reach into that inefficiency right there. Just grab that little liquidity and then push lower. I don't you dare, you dirty dog. Come on, Dr. Phil. It's a new 5-minute candle. I know you, a new 15-minute candle as well. I know you want to slightly just move up higher and fill. Okay, we're in. I hope I didn't over leverage like crazy.
Order filled.
Oh! Did I under leverage? 54. Oh, I gotta add 5 more contracts.
Order filled.
Come on, Dr. Phil. All right, let's test out this oil short, guys. First time trading oil. Usually I just use oil to trade NQ, but let's see how Dr. Phil's feeling today. Seems like Dr. Phil wants a little bit of delivery to the downside, right? Worst case scenario, can take these highs, trade in this inefficiency, and trade lower. That's why my stop loss is there and not there. But realistically, it should start selling off. NQ looks like it wants to push up higher. Come on, Dr. Phil, where are you? All right, Dr. Phil's in the higher fair value gap. I want to get a win on these accounts. Wait, should I copy trade my Tradeifys as well? I haven't traded those in a long time. Yeah, I want to get in on this on my Tradeify as well. One second, chat. Yeah. All right, if I'm gonna get it on my Tradeify, I'll wait for it to trade back down towards my fill here. Let's see. Dr. Phil delivered, but look at NQ right now. Dump into the floor. Soup this low, rip up higher. Let's see NQ. Let's see oil. Let's see if Dr. Phil wants to deliver today. Very small capital though. Yeah, I have to pay my Amex card out. American Express. Wow, that's a huge bill. What the heck? Chat. Look at this credit card bill, bro. I have $15,000 on that one. And then 6K on that one, bro. Oh my God. I'll pay that off. Dr. Phil looks like a terrible fill here on oil. But we'll let it sit because that high is still protected. We have a 5-minute fair value gap up here. Can't close it prematurely. Looks like Dr. Phil was a little greedy today. Wants to trade into a little bit of a premium PD array. Still think the trade logic is valid behind this and it's going to rip lower. Mitigation block is still in play as well. Sells on oil. What about the war? Yeah, what about the war? I know. Sells on oil never delivers during war. Dang. As much as we ripped up higher, we sold off too. There we go. Better reaction. Once we body below this fair value gap, I'm going to add more positions into this. Not yet. Not yet. Not adding positions yet. Open, high, low, close on the 15-minute. That's what I'm anticipating. But I want to see it push down below this level right here. I'll add more positions here. And I'll drag my... I'll add more positions here. And I'll drag my stop here. But it could easily react off this inversion. So it looks bearish on NQ. So we got to be patient. Remember, I think it's going to go to the 5-minute, then react off a bit. So we'll stay on the 5-minute chart. Hopefully my stop will protect it. It's not at the greatest spot. By the way, guys, Apex is, I think, 85% off right now, guys. Apex is 85% off. Here we go. 5-minute entry. Come on. Price is going so bad. What do you mean, bro? Low-key price action's pretty clean on oil. Look at this hourly fair value gap reaction. Just rip. Keep that low in place. Turns up. Fair value gap. Closes lower. Starts pushing down lower. We're in that 5-minute fair value gap now. Let's see how we react to it. Let's see how we react to it. Higher just in case. We have 25 seconds till a new 5-minute candle, so we'll see. We will see. Last 10 seconds should start pushing us down lower here. Is it free? Yes, it is. Modify. It's my website. I made it. Prop from Gain. Propfromgain.com. It's completely for free, brother. All right, we should start be pushing lower on this 5-minute. If not, then the trade's low-key cooked. We took these relative equal highs. No, we didn't. We created equal highs. Okay, if we wick up higher just one more time, I think we'll rip from there. But that's the last line of support. After that, I don't want to hold for anything above it. Or we can rip lower from here because we still are in that 5-minute fair value gap. But I just want to see it slightly just go. Whoop. See, it did it. It did it. We're in it now. Now, I want to see it hard reject off of that. But this is the last line of support on this trade. Should dump fast. If this is going to work, it should dump fast. Completely disrespect this. Trade down to this low here. But if it just dilly-dallies around here, trades into the volume balance and turns up, then it's probably cooked. Like I said, if it once it pushes here, it should completely just disrespect it. Come on, oil. Oil. Oh, I didn't know you made it. Hell yeah. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it was a process to make it, but it's a very useful tool. A lot of people are using it. NQ's on the left, crude oil's on the right. There we go. Just like we predict. Ah, made me feel like a nice guy for a second. Then it just wants to dump. I mean, push back up. Like I said, it should just rip past this level. The fact that it react off that order block shows that it could be reversing. It needs to dump. It needs to just dump. Oil needs to just dump here. Disrespect this order block. It needs to open and rip lower. If it's reacting off this inefficiency, it shouldn't retest it. Should just dump. Should dump here. Rip to this low. Don't even dilly-dally around this area. See how it's dilly-dallying in that order block? Not good. W Camelot. There we go. We need to see it dump here. Cannot dilly-dally around, bro. It cannot do that. Yes, nasty guys. Uh-oh. Not a good reaction there. Probably cooked here, chat. Should have respected and pushed down lower from there. Looks like it went down to the volume imbalance and wants to rip up higher. We're going to let the trade play out just because. I think an NQ opportunity is going to come soon. Looks like it's chopping. We'll see. We could get a failure swing to that high. With 10 seconds left in this candle. You know, oil's crazy. Anything can happen on oil. 5 seconds. That's not a bad wick. That's not a bad wick. Corrode failure swing here, and that'll be beautiful. NQ's dumping, though. That's the problem. NQ's dumping, and oil's not moving. That 15-minute open, that was nasty. It still looks so bearish. Oil still looks so bearish, chat. I guess the fill, if we would have gotten here, would have been a lot better, but... Last night was crazy. Yeah, last night was good. We got a nice trade last night. No, I dilly-dally through different counts, brother. It depends on the session and the probability. Like if the probability is very high for PM session, I'll trade my same accounts for AM and PM. I never trade the same accounts. Actually, rarely do I trade the same accounts for Asian. Only if I have a good setup like last night. But usually I don't trade the same accounts. Trade's still valid, guys. The trade is still valid. Don't let go of the trade. When's next giveaway? I'm doing one on my prop firm gain Instagram. So go follow. I'm just picking a random follower. There's only 100 people. Go follow the prop firm gain Instagram account. It's consolidating below that PD rate, which is nice. And NQ starting to rip up higher now. Oil's got to dump, dude. Oil's got to dump. Oil is due for a dump here, chat. I'm telling y'all. No, Kalen, just stick to AM session. I'm just following this 1 hour bias on oil. I feel like when oil dumps, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna go fast. Don't like the rejection off that volume balance though. So indecisive right now, chat. Definitely low probability. No way I'm risking anything over $500. Monday. This is the first like non-eventful Monday in a while. Last week's Monday was pretty crazy. Yeah, there it is. I'll be very surprised if we don't get stopped out here. It should probably rip up higher. It's probably reversing after that reaction. Unless it rips lower from this point, I don't see it reversing back down to the low after trading up anywhere higher. I mean, there's a breaker. Like the hourly should be low resistance liquidity run right now. With this hourly reaction, chat, that's very bearish. So this retracement is kind of a little interesting. 4 hour looks bearish as well. I mean, it's still respecting consequent encroachment of that 1 minute fair value gap. It's still respecting that 1 minute, chat. That 1 minute is strong. And look, NQ's dumping and oil's trying to push lower as well. I feel like I would, if I get stopped out here, I'll get a re-entry because I feel like when NQ reverses back up higher, oil is going to dump. Because look how fast NQ is moving to the downside and look how oil is not even moving one bit. Like, look at this dump and look at oil. Gapping lower. NQ dumping. NQ's trading to an inefficiency? No. NQ's still just chopping on that intermediate time frame. Literally seek and destroy day the whole day today. I mean, we caught a nice win, but seek and destroy. Bro. Thank you. It's coming again. Oh. Bro. Yeah, I do think when NQ starts pushing up higher, oil's gonna dump. So I'll look for re-entry if we get stopped here. I'll definitely look for a re-entry. But I don't think we're gonna get stopped, bro. I think it wants to respect consequent encroachment of this inefficiency badly. We'll see. We have the last 10 seconds of this candle. NQ is dumping. But oil's not moving at all. It's just rebalancing. This is a consolidation. This is a rebalance type of price action. Show my cat. She's not in their room right now. What do you mean YV? I feel like the flex is a better option. No one needs daily payouts, bro. That's only for like taking a little bit of money out. Nice reaction on that fair value gap there. Now the markets are correlating again. Oil push lower, NQ pushes higher. Oil should realistically start dumping a lot faster than what it's doing right now. Don't think that way. Don't think, oh, I could have done that on a funded. Don't think that way. That gets you emotional. Can oil, like, hurry up? Can another country, like, offload 100 million barrels, please? We have a new hourly candle coming up. It's a new 2 hour as well. I mean, new 4 hour. I'd be ashamed if we get stopped out before that 4 hour candle. Oh, I'm pretty confident that if we get stopped out, it's gonna rip to our TP. Like, this trade's gonna rip. Like, it probably wants to just rebalance up here and then just dump. Like, this trade is gonna rip. Let's just hope that we stay in it. I'm not gonna move my stop loss though. I'll just take a re-entry. Missed the stream last night. Hey, it's all good, brother. I traded NQ on Asia session last night. NQ is about to break structure to the upside. Come on, baby. Give us that volatility we need. Inject the volatility in the markets, dude. Someone call up a market maker. Tell them to put volatility in the markets. Just got to be patient, guys. Sometimes you just got to sit on your hands. There's nothing to do, nothing to try to figure out. Just let the trade move on its own. Let the trade do its thing, guys. I'm tired. I need coffee. I'm definitely tired. Oil. It's respecting this PD array fairly well. I'm craving a smoothie right now, like a strawberry banana smoothie. Or a chunky monkey from Booster Juice. There's the rip. Let's see if it can actually body this time and not wick. Yeah, it's another wick. We what was I gonna say? Yeah, that's a terrible wick reaction. We need some sort of body dominance here. We need some sort of body dominance because this is not doing it. That is not doing it, chat. As long as my stop loss factors it, I'm fine. We should be fine on this trade, guys. Realistically, it's reacted off the PD array already. All that's left is sell side delivery. We have about 3 minutes until that new 4-hour candle, so that should bring some volatility as well. Just hopefully it's not power of 3 volatility, and hopefully it continues the distribution. And we're starting to push down lower. That was a better body reaction. Want to see a better body reaction on this candle though. Oil realistically should start dumping. Like, look at the hourly candle. We should close down here in that new hourly candle in a few minutes. 4-hour candle should just open and rip lower. Realistically, I would want to be below here for that new 4-hour candle open, but let's see what this... You never know with oil. 2 minutes can be a lot. Still gonna add positions? No. Yeah, actually... No, because I can't drag my stop loss. That'd be increasing risk. No, I'm not. All right, 2 minutes till that new candle open, that new 4-hour candle open, chat. 2 minutos. 2 minutos. Beautiful reaction, beautiful sell off. Want to see a little bit more speed push. 4-hour on NQ is looking pretty bullish as well. 1 hour looks bullish if it closes up here. Beautiful reaction on that fair value gap there. Yeah, guys, we should be fine realistically. Just hold your trade. I'm not gonna add more positions because I can't drag my stop loss to make up for it. See, I'd be increasing risk, and you're not supposed to do that. All right, we got about 1 minute, chat. 1 minute till that 4-hour open. I'm gonna give myself a back massage. Oh. Ah. Ah. Not a good candle prior to that 4-hour open. We got 30 seconds, chat. We got to start ripping lower here. Very important what this 4-hour open does. It brings volatility, and the volatility is what we've been needing and looking for. 20 seconds, chat. Let's see. TP is all the way down there, but main is being taken off there. Let's see how this goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Is that the EMA or the VWAP that I'm looking at on Trade-of-8? Bow, bow, bow. Not a good reaction on that 4-hour, but we can anticipate a little bit of movement higher and then push lower. Like I said, this 4-hour needs to dump. We wouldn't want to see it push back up here. Just open and sell off. Yuck. Not a good reaction on that. NQ looks like it wants to push up higher, so oil should be dumping here. Trading back into the fair value gap. Maybe a failure swing to that high. Yeah, nasty. Yeah, it's a shame. All good. No, I'm trading oil. But it seems like the volatility in both markets have started to die. Like it was really good earlier. Now it seems like the volatility in both markets are starting to die out. Trades back into that fair value gap that's been so volatile, that fair value gap. Not volatile, but so restrictive. We're in that macro, so more volatility should be coming into play. Open, high, low, close. Let's see. I think the afternoon session has died out. Yeah, probably. Me too. It's like it pushes looking like it wants to rip up higher, then rejects off that fair value gap again. It's like, let's get rid of this 5 minute and look. Every time it goes here, it pushes, rejects, pushes, rejects, pushes, rejects. Like it pushes, looking like it wants to do a low resistance liquidity run to the high, touches it, and then rejects right away. NQ's pumping up higher now. Trades into this inversion fair value gap. Yeah, that 4-hour candle open trades into the inversion. Now it's starting to pump. Oil should be dumping past this inefficiency. Definitely a slower trade though. Don't want to see it respect that inefficiency at all. What indicators do I use? I don't use any indicators, bro. I do not use any indicators. One second. Use VWAP? No, I don't. Not anymore. Nah, this trade's ugly, guys. I kind of want to just be out of it. I mean, the logic behind it is still there, though, chat. Like, it's still there. That 1 hour distribution, and it's reacting off that 1 minute fair value gap. Like, the logic behind it is still respecting what we've been into, so. I wish I could close early, but I don't want to. Like, I want to leave it. It's been respecting this. We'll see what happens. NQ looks like it wants to start pushing up higher too. I know, I'm not doubting this at all. Like listen, it wins, loses, doesn't matter. Basically break even on the day, so. Like that amount of risk is nothing. Like I risk more on these accounts. Way more. Patience. One second. No, I mean, it's still respecting bearish order flow, guys. Like, I wish I would say, like, I wouldn't get out of this and it's ugly, but it's still respecting bearish order flow. It's just accumulating. Like, there's no reason to get out of it. NQ's pushing up higher. NQ's definitely been a lot cleaner, but look at that inversion. I like how oil's always cleaner, and as soon as we take a trade on oil, NQ gets cleaner and more volatility. This is how it goes sometimes. There we go. There we go. About time. Took us long enough. Oh. A little bit of volume there. Don't like how that candle didn't form a high, but a little bit of volume there. Okay. Took a while for that. What's up, car seats? Thank you for that, brother. Sister. Don't know. Gonna guess, brother. Black is not a brand, buddy. Black coffee. Anyways. You know who I feel like right now? Michael Burry. So, everyone was wrong. I was right. Oil did short. And, made a lot of money. I knew it. Everyone was wrong. I was right. Patience, guys. Imagine being imagine being in a long from this fair value gap and you closed your trade here. Oh my gosh. Someone did that. Someone put their stop loss here, closed it, waited, got a long here, and then it dumped. Don't reverse on us. We waited so long. That 4 hour looks like it's primed to start selling now. Come on, 4 hour. Don't do us dirty. Well, that's what you have to say to be successful. Is you have to be like, everyone's wrong, I'm right, and I'm the best, and everyone else isn't. Like, you have to have that mindset. We should sell off more here. Oil should dump. Give it some time. I'm really tired now, chat. I need to take some pre-workout and head to the gym. Come on, oil. You're making me sleepy. Oil, you're making me sleepy. Dude. What the fuck? How many positions did it put me in? What? Why does it throw like a bunch of arrows there? 2, 2, and then 1? Why? Oh, because there's a limit order. That's why. That's why. Thank you, that guy, pal. Patience, guys. Terrible reaction once again. Terrible reaction, but we should still be fine. It should still dump off. Look at that hourly. Look at that 4 hour. It all looks prime for some shorts. Why did you trade in this PA? Why would you not trade in this PA? Last 10 seconds of this candle. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's going to push up again, so thinking about getting out at break even. We'll see. We need to see a dump here on that last 10 seconds. We need to dump lower here. Dump. Turn it to a black candle, please, and thank you. Again, the oil looks like it wants to dump, dude. It looks like it wants to just sell off like crazy. Created relative equal lows as well. I feel like if I get out of this short, it's gonna rip. Also, the logic behind the short is still there. I guess I could take some contracts off, but I'm already cutting risk by like 80%. So I think I just let the trade play out. I think I just let it play out, guys. Let's see the TGR comment section. Videos. Damn. Bro, Batman or the Joker is right, bro. People love to see a hero fall more than they love to see a hero do good. Like, they would rather see a hero fall than someone become a hero. But bro, the Joker is right, bro. GGR, I personally think he's not that good of a trader, but the shit he's done for the trading community is insane. And as soon as the shit goes viral, he just gets all the hate in the world. Ow. Pretty crazy to me, chat. Like, I bet, guys, if out of the blue, if I got exposed, let's just say, I don't know. Let's say it came out that I was secretly selling a course. I bet you everybody would go crazy saying, wow, Ben, what'd you blah, 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 and totally disregard the fact that I would do everything for free and streamed trading for free and made a free website and made all of this. That's just how society works now. A hero reminds people of their own failures. Bro, that's a bar. That is so true. I'm gonna tweet that. Can I steal that? I'm gonna tweet that. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm tired of listening to this fucking song every single day, the same day, over and over and over again. I think I'm gonna be driven insane. Yeah, one of my YouTube videos, brother. If you scroll down far enough, you'll find it. That guy, pal. There we go. We're starting to dump now. Should see some more volatility. That 4 hours starting to get into play here. I wish I could put on that Rod Wave, dude. Rod Wave is one of the best artists. Every single song you can listen to. You know who's also one of the best artists? Olivia Dean, bro. Leon Bridges is good as well. There we go. Beautiful dump to south side. Woo! Oh, yeah! Look at that! Break even! It's break even time! Oh! Another free trade in the chat. In the chat. Told you guys it was gonna sell off. I told y'all. Hog Rider. It's Barney. Oh, what a rip. Oh.
Order filled.
Partial. Break even. W on the trade. I'm closing after that reaction.
Order filled.
All right. How much did we make there? $750. W in the chat. That's it. W in the chat. Yo, we're prime Ben right now. We're going crazy, bro. If you are not watching my streams, bro, 6 days in a row. We're just up, bro. We're so up. All right, fellas. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later tonight on TikTok. If not tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time on YT here for an AM stream. I'm going to go to the gym or something. All right, fellas, take care. God bless. 2RR on the trade. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Please be with us, protect us, forgive us for our sins, and please give us the strength that we need to make the right decisions. Father, remind us what the right decision is to do, and please give us the strength to do it. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas, I'll see you guys either tonight or tomorrow. Take care. God bless. Stay safe. Don't forget, Lucid 50% off with code Ben. Apex Trader Funding 85% off. No consistency rule in the Combine if you use code Ben. And then Tradeify, I believe, is 30% off now. Other than that, make sure to check out Prop Firm Gain, which is Prop Firm Matchmaking Tinder. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless.